Welcome to Mero True Life Story. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for my YouTube channel, Mero True Life Story. God bless you. My people, no be small matter. Hey, yo. See as guilty conscience they worry this man. Nobody they pursue now. Now only one they pursue himself. For those of you that are online, una know say 2 days ago, May Edochie Instagram page went down. That Instagram page just went down. But May Edochie is a very sharp woman. No say she na computer wizard now. So as that thing just go down, they use and follow her immediately. And that channel bounce back. After the channel bounce back, May Edochie daughter Daniela told the mother that they should check why the Instagram page went down. They do their research. The thing not get anything to do with Instagram people, but rather somebody was trying to hack May Edochie account. Daniela no rest for there. You know say na only mumu they get enemy. Go they sleep 24 hours of the day. Daniela say no. They want to know if they can go deeper. How come this person won't enter the mama account? You know that Instagram page, May Edochie has been building it. She has put everything into that page. So Daniela decided to go deeper. And when they begin go deeper, now you and they see. How they find out, I don't want to say it. Una know now. How they find out, say now you, I don't want to go deep into that. But they later find out, say now una ato, I'm a bingo. Now you go tackle that page. As they find out, Daniela called the father, straight and direct. The girl no waste time. He called the papa. Now Daniela tell the papa, say, your days of crying will be so long. You go cry, you not go see happy hand. You go call on God, he will turn his back against you. Every man and woman will turn their back against you. Wicked man. Wicked man. You say, wetin he do? Now he begin tell and say, wetin mama Instagram page do you? Wetin in mama Instagram page do you? You can't deny. He don't know anything, no. He not get and do. What is his business? He's living his life. Your mother is living her life. Motivate him to go and touch your mother Instagram page. After all, he get you. He never see time they do you finish. You go touch your mama. Now Daniela tell and say, come. It be like say you they take everybody like Juju Ekwensu. It be like say you they look everybody like Juju Ekwensu. If Juju Ekwensu is an illiterate that went to school, don't think that everybody represents her. You think you can go behind their back and do some kind things and come out to say you don't know anything about it. Daniela tell the papa, say, be very careful. Next time, you not go like waiting, they go to reply you. So you wanted to bring that page down. I've been at the page, now it caused your problem. Daniela gave his father thorough warning. The girl really vexed. The way Daniela talk to you confused. You know there is a point when papa go do rich, you know go get respect for her again. Daniela provoke like this girl talk to you in a very disrespectful way. You really talk to her. Tell her, say, don't ever. You see this one, they just let her go. If anything happen to this page again, whether they not see you or they see another person, now you they will still hold. And you will not get it funny from them. Because she Daniela personally will come for you. My lovely fans, they say you not talk. You come quiet. After Daniela call and finish, you conscious con the judge. He conscious con the judge say they cash am. He no wants made they cash am. He come surprise how these people say no. Say na he dey behind them. Na he dey behind them. Now I can't go post this thing this morning. Make I show now wetin you write. You can't write just to prove himself say in dey right. You can't write. He say always remember you are not in competition with anyone. Competition will make you forget who you are and lose sight of the beauty of the world. We all have our different paths and destinies in life. Find yourself, find your path, and focus on it. Every other thing is distraction. So you can't write this thing. The reason why make you write this thing, because the daughter accused and drag him, because the daughter accused him, say he almost bring down her mother page. So you to defend himself, for people to believe say he not get hand, he can't go do this copy and paste. When he see, he can't post am for here, trying to prove as if he not send wetin dey happen for May Edochie life. Now I will shock you. After that call, you talk to person. That person talk to Destiny Etiko. Destiny Etiko talk to May Edochie. So after Daniela make that call, the thing pain this man. It pain her well. Daniela talk to him like a baby. You know small pikin wey no dey hear word. When you want put am through. You know say when you want to put a child in the right track, there is nothing like, oh my child, sit down. When it be say that child is out of the track, you don't talk with cool voice again. It's only when the child is trying to fall out of the track, you sit them down, you talk with patience, with calmness to them. But when the child is out of the track, there is no calmness, there is no discussion, there is correction. That was how Daniela talked to her father. So that in pain you can call a friend for Nollywood. Now that a friend, now you go tell Destiny Etiko. Destiny Etiko can tell May Edochie. Now you can call your best friend. When they tell a friend say, he not just dey happy at all. He's not just happy. The friend asked him why. He said, can you imagine? Daniela called him, scolded him like a baby. You need to see the way she was talking. If you try it next time, you won't like and believe what will befall you. Say, do you even imagine that this girl was telling him that his crying days will be long, that he is going to cry and even God will turn his back against him? Now a friend say, this is too much now. This is too much. Wetin go happen? Wetin go provoke Daniela reach like that? This is too much. No. You have to do something about it. What really happened? What provoked him? Now you say, now mama Instagram page, when he almost bring down. Now a friend say, you say what? He say, he contact 2-3 people, say, may they bring that page down. Because May Edochie own is getting too much. Now a friend say, are you for real? He say, yes. He said, did you see the life she went when she do her Amazon? He said, did you see it? He said, see people calling him. He said that place, he said May Edochie made money there. May Edochie made money. Say she made money on that life. People were gifting, people were buying, people were there, people were... I say everything just the flow. He say he will marry May Edochie. If he go live today, go happen the way it happened for May Edochie. He says sometimes you need to put these women to where they belong. When a woman is trying to overdo, you bring her down. You bring her down. He said May Edochie they overdo. According to him, before the attack, May Edochie recovered the account. Una the year, una ato. Before I continue, let me welcome you to my wonderful and amazing channel. This is Mero True Life Story. Please, if you're watching my video and you've not subscribed, subscription is free. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thumbs up my YouTube channel. God bless you. My lovely fans, una the year, una ato. So you agree to his friend that he was behind it. That he contacted 2-3 people where they give them their number, say they sabi do the thing. But May Edochie was faster than them. Now a friend come tell am say, maybe Daniela find out that you are behind it. That's why she's angry. He no gree, he deny am. Because he send people, but not be him enter. So how will they know that is the one? How will they know? Una dey see am, this man agree. This man agree. But me Edochie was fast. If you watch that time where that page take go off, later the page come back. You know, the page come back. If you now watch her, me Edochie not play at all. She takes serious action immediately. So yo agree, say na he do am. He say he's jealous, he's angry, he's not happy. Me Edochie is getting too higher than him. She's been recognized everywhere. She's all over the world now. Her things are in Amazon. And especially that life provoke am. He said that life provoke am. Say he was not happy with what he saw in that life. The love, the massive love for me Edochie was too much. Everybody was just there for her. Everybody was just trying to do something with her. Why? Why would they take me Edochie matter so serious? Is it not just to put the thing for Amazon, come up for there? Must she go live? Must she gather people? Una see enemy? Must she gather people make they disturb? Trying to bring him down. He said, do you know how much that woman make? In way marry her, how much she won't chop for the money? They won't give her for the money. If not rather than to bring him down. People started saying, say the way God has blessed me Edochie. He said, now that one the vessel. Say that word of me Edochie, when they always they praise me Edochie. He said that word the vessel. Say not like him at all. He don't like it. Where people are praising her. People are always saying, look at how God has uplifted. See how God has uplifted me Edochie. See the way God is blessing me Edochie. You see not like that. Well, see that word they provoke him. He said so he tried everything. He said he was even trying to go to that Facebook, but Instagram on I fast pass. Now a friend called tell and say, you remove hand. Remove hand. Your daughter don't come now. Maybe they find out somehow you get hand for it. See the way your daughter talk to you now. Imagine say that thing really go down, they find out it's you. Do you know the kind of insult your daughter would have insulted you publicly? Maybe that time she for not call you again. She would have just go straight to the social media to disgrace you. Now a friend tell you, you say you rest for me Edochie matter. Rest. You say no the rest. He say no go rest for me Edochie matter. Now wait till he tell a friend. Anywhere where if he go, he say go. He say what he want is the downfall of me Edochie enemy. He say he want to see this woman down. He wants people to say, he wants people to recognize him as Odogu when he talks him be. He said because of me Edochie, now people know they respect him. He said because of me Edochie. He said if me Edochie was not successful, people would have been respecting him. If to say me Edochie not they successful, people for still they praise him. He said, but just look. This woman every day try to prove to the world, to make them believe that it's nothing. Every day should they come up with different kind of success. He say he himself, he no get that kind of success. He tell a friend, he say if it's you, will you be happy? Do you know the shame and disgrace? Do you know the shame we follow with me Edochie do? You say we never stop. He say as that one no work, another one go work. He say no feel rest for me Edochie matter. He say anything at all that will bring me Edochie down, he's gonna do it. And he promised that he will do it. My people, wonder shall never end. So you can understand now when you said in that interview, when you talk say, she's my ex-wife, I wish her well, I'm happy for her. Don't be confused by the words of the mouth. People can pretendly come aside. People can pretendly come outside and wish you well. Behind closed door, they are doing you evil. That's why you have to be very watchful. Be very watchful. May Edochie is a very attentive woman. That page for go down. Maybe before they fulfill recovery for take like days or week, but she was fast. You see, if person tell me Edochie say yo we go after her page, she not go believe. She will say no, yo has moved. Everybody don't waka their own. But you see those enemy when you think say they don't move on. Sometimes they are the ones that will never move on. They are always attached, especially where they go if they not succeed. They want to come back to you and they find that you are not accepting them. They will now become more wicked. All their plans will be to bring that person down. All their plans will to see that person fall down. If I tell you, say, now God stand for me, Edochie, believe me, there is nothing this man have not done to this woman. But God got her back. God is standing by me, Edochie. Now he make you your hand never fit touch her. Now he make God they lift me, Edochie, higher than this efulefu. Juju eko esu say me Edochie na problem. Yo go come say me Edochie na be problem. The woman sit down and jejeje. Two of una they do cheating demos. Una they do knacking demos and cheating demos for her back. When she find out she waka comot leave una, say una continue. She no even disturb una. She say una continue. Una they do am for backyard before. The thing don't come light. Now yeah, make una begin to show una self-love. Una no gree leave her, una say na she see be una problem. The same woman wey no dey there una start una adultery relationship. You people are not blaming her for your downfall. You if you fail for life, you go say na me Edochie. Juju Ekwe who fail for life say na me Edochie. By the time you start attacking people that are not your problem, life go hard though. Because the enemy will just they drink wine, they deal with that person. Meanwhile, they are facing somebody who will not they worry them. Wonder shall never end. That was how me Edochie recover her page. Daniela don't give her thorough warning. You know try again. You no go try her. But he say he's not giving up. He say he want to see me Edochie enemy down. He say he want to see me Edochie enemy go down. Now wait till he tell a friend though. A friend can't tell person can't tell Destiny Etiko. Destiny Etiko can't tell me Edochie. Destiny Etiko can't tell me Edochie. Say see wait till Odogu go tell person. Me Edochie be careful. Be very careful. That your ex-husband has refused to move on from you. You don't know what they happen. You don't carry all different women. Yet your matter not gree come off for your head. Just be careful. Wonder shall never end. May God not let us marry our enemy. You see, married to an enemy is the worst thing. Because especially when children come day, that person is already part of you. Some people say, no, I'm no longer married to him. See Judy Austin, Nana. Now, not saying say Mr. Obasi, forever that man is attached to her. Just the way she's attached to that man. Now, everlasting thing. So be very prayerful. May God not bring our enemy come as husband. Because the pains will continue for years. They not go let you go. They not go leave you. They not go move on. And when you deal with them, they not give you peace. You leave their problem. You deal with their problem. Move on, umbanu. When they see you. Those are the kind of enemy when God carry come give me Edochie say na husband. This woman have to do deliverance before he feel free for inside this relationship. Yet they not give her peace. They not let this woman drink water put up for granted. You say the money wey me Edochie make for life. He say they calculate am. They calculate. Waiting calculate too big. Now he start to the verse. See me Edochie make money for life. People were sending her a gift. People were dashing her money. So you too self look the life. Hey, wonder shall never end though. Monetary spirit people. My lovely fans, leave your comments in the comment section. This is Mero True Life Story. God bless you.